Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Another interesting day. We continue with the uptrend. So that's nice. The thing is, we got the confirmation into my cell phone. So let's wait around 3381 for open the short position. It's the first full week for the month. August 4th. Let me see here. Okay, so let me clarify here. Let me clarify something. And we will continue here. So let me read the chat. History with Hanan. Hello, dear. Sandy's here. Muli, Hostel. Well, many people here. Maria Shibata, thanks for the support. I really appreciate that. Really thanks. Really thanks for the support of the channel. Maria Shibata, thanks for the support here. And today is my birthday, so it's like a birthday gift. Thank you. Okay, let me check here. Flo is here. Dimitri is here. Thanks for the good comments, guys. Yes. A birthday here. For that reason, today I think I'm going to stop early the transmission because I really want to spend my time with my family. So well, but first of all, we need to take the trade, right? We need to take the trade. Nice retracement, and probably around 3379, 3380 looks like a good point. So let's see if we can find the consolidation in 1 minute for open the trade. Okay. Perfect, Mooks. Good luck in your trip, my friend. Good luck. Thanks for the good comments for the for my birthday, guys. Thanks for that. Well, so let's be ready. Let's be ready, guys. Okay. Waiting this some seconds. Okay. Everyone ready? Remember, around 3379, 3381 could be a good point. Happy birthday! So, well, guys, thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the good comments. I really appreciate all the happy birthday wishes. Thanks for that, guys. Okay, waiting some seconds more, just 10 seconds for open the trade. Okay, it's time to be in. It's time to sell. I'm into a sell position now. So please be clear of that, okay, guys? Let me open the positions. Okay, 3382. That 85, it's the stop loss. TP3 working into the TPS, guys. TP. Okay, remember, use the proper lot size for your account, guys. That's really important. Use the proper lot size for your account, okay? I don't want to see anyone using massive lot size for little accounts or something like this. I want to read comments like this. Please be clear. Remember, we're working into the volume, so in 4 hours. So well, let's see reaction, okay? And the stop loss. Remember the stop loss here, and it's the most important thing in this channel, okay? So be clear of that. So well, let's see the reaction. Looks great. So well, good reaction. Recuerden que estamos en venta, ¿verdad? Estamos en venta. Para los que hablan español por ahí, estamos en venta. Testing the point of entry. Okay, 3 minutes for end the candle in 15 minutes. So that's great. Well, let's see. The price is a must to stay there. Down less. Well, how can I say that? Well, near to the 3377. That could be the first point. Two minutes. Looks great. Looks like beam by reaction. That's nice. The last candles looks nice, but first we need to break the 3377. That's the first step. Last candle looks really nice. This candle, but well, it's a must to break the 3377 if you want to see the TP2 and the TP1. Well, the TP1 and the TP2. Holding the same position looks really strong. Trying to break the 3377. So that's nice. Almost there, guys. There was a good pressure. There was a good pressure, and TP1. Almost TP1, just nothing. Almost there. Just one pip more. And there we are, TP1, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. 35 pips with no too much deal. Now the B is optional. Let's see if we can touch the other sun. Going to reduce it, not that much. TP1 it's now, guys. Growth in the comments. Your profit at this point. By my side, the stop loss is reduced to 15 pips. Well, almost there. Now you can do some partials. Now you can do some partials, guys. Set the break even. Many options at this point, guys. If you don't like it, if you feel so many pressure, holding the same position. Tell me your profits, guys, at this point. So remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, you can contact me by WhatsApp. $74, 1 year subscription. So 35 pips with no too much risk. Hustle C is in $40. Nice, Cavin's it's there. Up to the 55. Okay, almost there, guys. TP2, almost there. It's almost there. Almost there, the TP1. Just one pip more. And there we are. TP2 it's now, guys. So well guys, TP2 it's now. Now it's time to break even, and the first partial it's now. First partial is not an option now. It's time to break even now, guys. Not an option. Don't be in break even. Now it's break even, and the first partial it's now. First partial it's now, guys. Please try to clarify it. TP2 it's now, guys. Write in your comments, into the chat about the your profits at this point. Grow your profits. Lucas is in $790, so that's great. Yehia, $23. That's nice too. Hostel, $40. Ganesh is in $40. That's nice. Quick profit, yes. PRF is in $60. Was a quick profit, yes. ¿Qué es break even? Break even es pasar el stop loss a su punto de entrada, mi amigo. Proteger la entrada y que sea un riesgo cero. $130 is Samir in profit. 44 Born Chime profit, that's nice. Gaming Studio, $638, that's great. Beautiful, my friend. Bentley DL, $60. $60 in positive. So well holding for the TP3. Really nice trade against the main trend at this point, this moment. But well, remember most of my trades always it's against the trend. So well, that was great. If you want more entries, remember by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's $74, 1 year subscription, guys. Gio, welcome, my friend. Lawson, $890 at this point. Remember, do the first partial, guys. Here you can do the first partial with no issues. And hold in break even. Okay, hold your positions in break even, please. Break even. Remember, we're in break even. We already do the close trade, $60 deal, perfect. $120 in positive for a hostel. Willie Gomez, thank you so much and have a great birthday. Thanks, my friend. Thanks. That was a hard reaction. Remember, guys? Really hard reaction in 1 minute, I think. Yes. 1 minute testing the TP1, losing some pressure. Biggie's here. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. That's great. Hard reaction for buyers. Hard reaction for buyers, guys. So well, let me continue with the apps for the day. Remember, if you're thinking for take any proper challenge, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will check the best discounts, the best offers in the most trustable prop firms. You can read all the comments, you can review. If you don't like a company, just go there. If you like a company and you want to rate that company, go there. Guys, there in profitmatch.com you will read all the most important information about every prop firm company into the market. And of course, if you are interested, just go in that company, click the link, and the website will give you the best discounts with that website. Okay, so make me a favor, click the link, and if you're interested in a prop firm challenge, just go there. Okay. The price is there, trying to give us some reactions. In my opinion, the price is must to go back to the 3360. So I'm holding the same position, but let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Let's see what happened there. Holding, holding. So well, TP2 again, guys. TP2 again. TP2 again, guys. So the ones who are not doing the partials, it's time to do some partials, at least 20%, 30%, and a decent profit. Book a decent profit, and then just continue with the information, guys. Well, with the trade, sorry, with the trade. Continue with the trade with no issues. testing the TP2 again. So it's a must to break the 3371 if you want to continue with the pressure. So pure patience. Remember, at this moment it's a zero risk trade with some partials. So be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. Great support. Thanks, Live and Loses. I really appreciate that. Thanks for that. Piggy, George's call for the sell position. That was really nice. That's great. So, well, guys, 350 people it's seeing the stream, and just 65 likes. So try to help me with that. Try to help me with the likes, guys. At least 150 likes on my side. Try to help me with that, guys, please. Well, who is still holding? Who is still holding? Who already closed the trade? Okay, perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Remember, we are holding, but we already do the partial, okay? We already do the partial. So well, 3,374 again, so that's great. Nice, good reaction. So well, good reaction there, guys. So well, good reaction, almost there. Almost there for the TP3, guys. Let's see. First of all, we need to break the 3371. The buyers want to defend the 3372. Let's see. Waiting, it depends for this candle for the next 4 minutes if we can see the break soon. So well, let's see if we can touch the TP3. It's really, that could be awesome. That could be awesome. Hmm. Hasta see, the $74 is just for the Telegram, my friend. Just for the signals. Just for the signals, my friend. That's the basic packages. What I have, if you want to check the prices, hostel, just go there into the WhatsApp and you will see the information. Well, holding the TP3. Yes, hostile. I also have a Discord. In Discord, there you will see the information, and the Discord works like this. It looks like this. Um, well, so basically, here on Discord, I always share the point of interest first. For example, this is for this morning. I mark the 3375 as a point of interest because there was a volume sales for that reason. Same for NASDAQ. It's the same for NASDAQ. I'm waiting a price around 23.024 for NASDAQ. Well, of course, for into the learning forex, you will see the videos. Some people, well, Lewis, LMS, he's share most of the information. Well, for example, here we have some books there, videos, 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 explanations. Well, all many things what you could be very valued information. So well, yes, of course the pre-recorded videos is there explaining the strategy about the volume zones, of course. So that is how the Discord works. So yes, but of course it's not for free. So the lifetime subscription, it's the other option. It's $109 for Discord and Telegram. Telegram is just for signals. Um, Discord is for understand and learn the entries. And the lifetime subscription, it means just one payment is for $109. Now I'm waiting for the people in for the Discord. Well, for the Telegram, I'm waiting a long position for waiting the long position for NASDAQ trade. For a NASDAQ trade, let's see if we have time in order to continue. So the price wasn't able to pass the 3372. That will trade again. So um, let's see. Zero, but down trend isn't anything. Signal for reversal? Yes, probably yes, my friend. But the thing is, at this point, we already take the partials. We already did the break even. We're the people who are holding. It's a must to be in break even. So it's a zero risk trade. So now it's pure patient for take the TP3. That's all, my friend. The time frame is for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. So be clear of that. So the price will test again at the 3372. So that's important. No, guys, it's not time to re-entry. Ratul, it's not time to do the re-entry. The time for the trade was 1 hour ago. I shared the entry in 3379. If you want to lose, if you don't want to lose any trade, just go there into the Telegram, and this could be very helpful to don't lose any trade by my side. The for Julian Ferco, this is the gun box, my friend. This is the gun box. It's a possible reaction zone. So as you can see, I mark this candle. Um, for that reason, the price go there into the 0.5, and then just go back and give us the reaction, down reaction. So if the price break is 0.5, probably it will change the trend. You know, see the price, for example, give us something like this, and it break the 0.5. Probably we will continue to the highest prices. If we continue like this, with the pressure into the 0.5, probably the price will test the 0.5 here, the other point. We will see the TP3 and the full TP. For that reason, I mark that zones. So yes, that's the main idea, of course. Um, so well, we're testing the 3372 again, but the price give us a hard reaction again. So well, waiting. Last candle looks with some volume, so that's great. So well, let's see what happened. Perfect. So well, the trade gives us another point of reaction here. As you can see, this is how it works. It shows the middle of the candle. Well, the middle of the candle, as you can see, the price touched the 0.5 and then go back. So TP3 it's now, guys. TP3 it's now. TP3 it's now. Guys, TP3 it's now. TP3 it's now, guys. 80 pips plus 80 pips. Who hold the trade to the TP3? Okay, perfect. So the TP3 it's now. Sorry, I was doing the partials there. Perfect, the TP3 it's there. It's time to change the B. So the TP3 was there. José Iniesta tocó el TP3, sí, exacto. Exacto. Y cambiamos nada más al B al TP1. B is break even, my friend. Break even. Break even. Okay, I enter on TP3, I enter buy, okay. Perfect. So well, as you can see again, the price touched the 0.5 here, for example, and then the price just grew up. So now it's going to be a little fight for see what pressure is going to win. If the pressure for the buyers in the previous break of a structure, or just the price go to our break even. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's make it clean. So I want to break even. So the ones, remember we already touched the TP3 guys. So at least do the final partial there. Well, I know we are in TP2 again. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Holding with pure patience. Just the only change. What I do it. Well, what I did is it's the change the break even to TP1. Okay. José Iniesta, mi amigo, gracias a usted por estar siempre por aquí. Gracias de verdad, mi amigo. We miss a nice buy. Okay, Dr. Phil wants to open a long position, that's okay. I'm holding the break even because it was a really nice sell position. So really nice. So I just holding. Probably we will hit the TP1. Again, testing 3375. Let's see what happened there. Last 3 minutes for continue with this candle. So B is taken. The B is taken at this point, guys. So that was the trade, guys. And we have many hours. It's too early. Okay, let's see. Not too much to do. Second trade. Another sell. Good sell. Plus 80 pips. We started the month with two successful trades there, but the break even is taking at this point, guys. So okay, let me update the chart, guys. Let me clarify the positions here. Let's see, 1 hour. Okay, for H, we continue there. 1 hour more. This is the break of the structure. Okay. 78. Okay. Well, really nice trades. 80 pips with no too much risk. So we will wait the position around 3380 if the price just go there, or the long position there. It depends. 1000. But at this moment, by my point of view, we are not into the position like we can open any trade. So just sell some. So just let's wait. That's all. That's the only option we have. Check if we can clarify the position there. Okay. So well, let's see, guys. Anita wants to be part of the Telegram for sure. Just go into the website, sorry, into the WhatsApp, and you will see the options there. It's a $74 1 year subscription. Okay, I was planning the long position here. Just let me clarify here. Okay, buy US. Now I'm opening a position in NASDAQ. So yes, give me 1 second, guys. Opening a position in NASDAQ. $23,030. Okay, guys, I'm working into the entry into the NAS trade. 157, 80, TP2, 23, 195, 23, 250, 40p, 23, 308, 09. Perfect. Okay, let's clarify that position. Looks great. And we'll. Okay, perfect. I was working into the Telegram. Perfect. Iron, my friend. Thanks. Welcome to the community, my friend. Welcome to the community. Let me. Okay, let me check here. Perfect. Mm. Okay, I was taking the NASDAQ trade. Looks great. Looks really nice. Okay, So, so well, let's see. This is for 50, almost TP1 in NASDAQ, almost TP1 in NASDAQ. Welcome, Amram. This is looks like a donation, but basically it's for Singapore. Sometimes PayPal didn't work there. The payments directly to the Costa Rican account. For that reason, there was the other option, to go here, go here, open the donation, and of course, I will hit, I will, I will give you the access there. I will give you the access there for the Telegram and the Discord. That was the reason of the payment. This is another way to do the payment if you don't have, guys, the access for Telegram, sorry, for PayPal or USD. You can do it like in this way with no issues. Of course, just you need to share me your user in, in YouTube. That's all. That's all. So, well, guys, at this moment, what happened here? At this moment, what happened here? We have like little consolidation here at this point. Little consolidation with some very, it's really, it's like an uptrend position since 3353. So well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, guys. Let's see what happened. This is the uptrend what I have. So probably we will see a reaction there, and I really want to see a retest to beat at this point. So probably if we got, for example, a break of a structure here, if it break the point, probably we will see something like this. And we will continue. To be honest, I always prefer for open the long position than the sell positions. But the thing is, I'm a provider, I'm provide a service. So for that reason, I need to find the fastest entries, what I can see into the market. Um, well, by my side, I prefer always open a long position. For gold, it's better. Well, NASDAQ is trying to go to the TP1. That's great. So that's my idea. Let's see what happened with this line. Let's see what happened with this line. Reggae dancehall music. Well, the NASDAQ trade is there. Almost into the TP1. That trade is for the Telegram, of course. I'm going to give you the point of entries and everything. This is the trade. So as you can see, it's almost touching the TP1 is there. Well, just pure patience again. Of course, if you open the NASDAQ right now, you will find the worst position possible there. So sometimes it's better just stay and wait. See? Okay, boy. So yes, Ray, the information, that specific information is for the people in Telegram and the Discord. If you want to be part of that, Ryan, just contact me by WhatsApp, and you will see the options. The basic packages is for the Telegram access. It depends of that. Well, it's a $74 1 year subscription, guys. At this moment, well, just let me continue with the ads for the day. Remember, guys, if you are thinking for a prop firm challenge, just go into the promfirmmatch.com, and there you will see the information about the best offers with many companies listed there, the most trustable companies there, and well, looks like always read the comments, always read the reviews, and of course, guys, try to clarify your mind when you are going to buy a challenge, okay, with that reviews. So just go into the perfectmatch.com. If you're interested in one company, just click the bottom there and you will see the best offers, guys. At this moment, I'm going to eat my breakfast and I'll be back, okay? So just be patient, please. I'll be back around 10 minutes. So well, guys, the price continue into the position. Finally, it breaks the line. So that is something what I explained many hours. No, like 1 hour ago, I explained the the information. Yes, my friend, I know Anita is trying to send the messages, but the thing is, that's the thing, guys. Sometimes WhatsApp is not for free support, guys. That's the thing. So if you start sending me things, um, asking things, free access, the free support, that type of thing. So of course, uh, I don't like it, guys. I don't like it, and I explained many times to WhatsApp is not for free. So it's not for a free support. Um, please try to respect that. Try to respect that. Sometimes, sorry, but I'm not in the mood to to be honest. Today I'm pretty happy. I'm really nice. Today is my birthday, so I'm happy. Everything is good. But if you insist like, what is this? What can I do for this? Just it's not the it's, it's not the way, it's not the way. That happens with with the messages. So so most of the time I'm very focused here. Try to provide the information very clear, supporting the chat, supporting the Discord, supporting the Telegram. So just I don't like, when you start like this, like um, I know my customers. I know my customers, and I know the people since more than a year here. So well, that's happened. If you start asking for free things, I'm going to block that customer. Sorry, that's that's the um that's the only explanations what I have. Um, but yes. So well, for the WhatsApp number, Ganesh, there is the option for WhatsApp. Just contact me right there, and you will see the information. For NASDAQ trade, TP1, 56 pips with no too much risk, and then we will start there. So well, guys, there is the we got the break of a structure there, so that was great. No, this is not a break of a structure, but this is a break of a minor trend line here. The trend line starting there, so finally it will break here. Um, Probably we'll see the information around 3368. 3368, that's the point. Yes, that's a good point. Mm, Jesus. LMS, my friend, thanks for the donation, for the thanks for my birthday. Thanks, my friend. I really appreciate that. Thanks, really thanks, my friend. Thanks for, of course, thanks for being here, and thanks for the moods too, guys. We have many moods. Well, we got many moods in this channel. Um, LMS now it's in front of the chat, but well, we used to have Red Down, Jack, Niga, Randahan, many moods there. Part of this beautiful channel. So well, let's see the reaction. Because it was a minor time frame. Just everyone to clarify um, the position. The position like here, it's the minor trend line. It's taken. So it's something what I explained 40 minutes ago, I think. So if you want to go, just go back 4 minutes ago, and you will see the explanation about the trend line. So this is something what we need to the price do. That was great. Well, let's see the reactions here into the 3368 for open the long position. Uh, Hello, Lorito. I'm new to your channel. I just subscribed. Thanks, my friend, for your subscription. Thanks for that. Yeah. Happy birthday. Thanks, my friend, for the comments. It's raining. Always here in my country. When it's August 4th, it's rainy. Jihad, happy birthday. Thanks, my friend. Jihad, sweetie Paticar things. Same in Albania. It's raining. Yes, it's raining. Nice, beautiful country. I really want to go there to Albania. If I go someday to Europe, probably the first country where I'm going to visit is Albania. I don't like, the big populations there, or the big cities, but Albania looks beautiful. I'm from Costa Rica, Kumar. I'm from Costa Rica, waiting the proper confirmation here for open the loan position. Um, we got here that one. Okay. Something what I explain, guys. I prefer most of the time to 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 open a long position in gold. It's my it's my best deal. Now I feel comfortable than all the things. Just I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the to open the long position. I prefer to hold it in that way, like for the long term. But yes, remember here, guys. At this point, we're waiting the proper reaction as a pin bar reaction, guys. So well, um, let's see what happened. Well, someone asking for money. Can I hold this position for a long time? No, Niga. To be honest, no. Probably gold will go back in 1 or 2 months, around 31, 32. Inclusive 29, I think 29 is a possibility. Can I hold this position? Okay, if it is a little bit up. Okay, watching from Bangladesh. Nice, my friend. Thanks, LMS. Thanks for that words. Waiting for the entry zone. Happy birthday. We already, remember we already did the some pips. NASDAQ, 56 pips. The thing with NASDAQ is stuck in TP1. It's not moving. So this is the August, but we start in August. 164 pips and 56 in NASDAQ. This is the first 2 days for the month. And that was great. That was great. Neil, thanks for Neil. Nice to see you. Nice to see you here, Neil. Always is a pleasure, and thanks for your wishes. See it is here too. Nice to see you again, my friend. Messi or Ronaldo? That's so difficult, you know. But I really Messi. He just born with that ability, you know. He just born with that ability to play soccer. Ronaldo, it's as an example for he push himself to be the best. So I prefer Ronaldo. To be honest, I prefer Ronaldo for that reason. You know, for because he pushed himself to be the best one. Messi is for just he just born with that ability. Of course, he pushed himself and everything, but he was so different. He wasn't the type of cases when you born with the ability and that's it. Ronaldo, he makes um, his mind is very strong. His his um, his ability it's pure. Um, he's the he make his abilities, you know. So that is the reason. For that reason, I prefer Ronaldo. Ronaldo. See where you're from? I'm from Costa Rica, my friend. Janet Cornell, thanks, my friend. I really appreciate that. Sure. So well, the for the sons, it's very simple. Let's go and check here the information. Here we got the BOS, the break of a structure here. This is the reason for the sun is there because it's the break of a structure there. And we will try the position. Okay, we will try the position there because this is the break of a structure. That is the main reason, my friend. We're working into a sun. This is not the volume by a sun. It's a break of a structure sun. But first of all, we need to get the confirmation first we need to wait the confirmation, guys. Namaste from India, RJ. Tony Agata, thanks, my friend. Adit Grants, thanks, my friend, for the happy birthday. I'm already at the buy in gold for 3375. At this moment, I'm waiting, guys. At this moment, I'm waiting. So, well, expand there. Thanks, LMS. 3375 round down. So, well, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. So, I'm going to wait one candle more. I'm going to wait one candle more for clarify the position. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. So just waiting. Just waiting. Anita, don't worry, don't worry. I'm going to block you. just for stay calm there. Don't worry about that. Team Fake, I already explained the entry, my friend. Try to go back, I don't know, 10 minutes, and you will see the information there about why I'm going to open the position. So guys, remember, if you want to open a challenge with a prop firm, with any prop firm, just go there into the profitmatch.com and you will see the best offers, the best discounts for any prop firm company. And of course, you can read the reviews about all the users for that companies. The best raters are there. Just go and check the information about that companies first to do um, any buy. So well, just go there, guys, into the promformatch.com. And of course, we have the promotion with BT Markets, guys. BT Markets give us the 100% welcome bonus, and you will receive an email with the Telegram and the Discord support will be included just if you use my link. You will receive the steps for use the Telegram signals, guys. Okay, so just be sure of that. This is the two promotions what I have for you guys for the prop firms into the profitmatch.com and with the BT Markets. Master MD, I trade into the Telegram. I trade NASDAQ, Dow Jones, silver, oil, Bitcoin, and Forex pairs. Okay, Bitcoin in weekends, oil and silver. I tried 2 or 3 trades there for silver and oil, and the others most of the time it's NASDAQ, gold, and the Dow Jones. I would say that 80% of the trades it's NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Forex, and gold. Do you trade FX pairs? Yes, Amir, I trade FX pairs. I provide the entries there into the Telegram. This is the type of service what I do for the Telegram. For that reason, if you read here into the list, I always note the Telegram month trades, and it's for that reason. Today was an easy TP1 in NASDAQ for 26 pips. It's still there in a consolidation. I'm in here. I like your channel. Very useful and professional. Thanks, bro. Master MD. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, my friend. Discord free is 109 a year. Hostel. Telegram plus Discord is $109 lifetime subscription. It means it's just one payment. I'm new here. Okay, do you have a Telegram channel? Yes, I have a Telegram channel, my friend. Just go there. It's a $74 one-year subscription. Anita, I already unblocked you just for your comment. I don't want to be rude, so for that reason, to after to say something, because I'm taking the trade, guys. I'm taking the trade. And when I'm starting to receive many messages, sometimes I just ignore the WhatsApp. Just to be clear, when I chill, I'm just answer the information. So just wait my answer, and you will be receive the information. Okay. If we hold, there is a potential to the profit. I'm worried about, like the price is not moving. At this moment, it's not moving. Um, and yes, that's the thing. For that reason, we are not opening any position at this point. The price do a retest for the 3379, 3378. That was the position when we opened the trade. And then just go back again to the around to the our last TP3. Now just waiting. Um, and that's it. Waiting the proper information. Perfect. A kill $7 is $7. That's great. That's great, guys. So remember, at this moment, we are not into the any position, right? We are waiting. Why we are waiting? Because the price is not moving. As simple as that. If the price is not moving, we can open the trade. For that reason, it's better just try to be patient. Just try to be patient with that. So a retracement to 3371. Perfect mooks is done for the day. Thanks my friend. Thanks my friend for being here. Important part of the community, mooks. Um, so the price is not moving that much, guys. Mm. So I think it's better to wait the information there. I'm going to take advantage for update the zones in NASDAQ. Well, not in NASDAQ, in Dow Jones. Now it's moving in a position. Mr. Cool Carney, welcome, my friend. Yes, I'm not buying because of this. I really want to open the trade, but near to 3368, not into the 3371. So that is the main reason. I'm from Bangalore. To be honest, I don't know what is Bangalore. Let me Google it. Bangalore is a city. It's for India. Looks beautiful. Looks like a really nice city. Many trees and parks. Something my plan is to open a long position. Open a long position, but that thing is not doing that much. I'm from Costa Rica. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. Mm, 3373. I think the price will continue in this little consolidation here for the prices. Looks like the price there is a consolidation. So well, it's not moving it's not moving that much. So well, for NASDAQ, I'm holding the NASDAQ. Let me update these trades here. So well, um, it ends as a doji. So I think we're unable to take any position at this moment, guys. So it's time to go. Let's think. I'll be back in Tokyo if I saw any information there. But yes, at this moment it didn't give us the proper reaction, the proper retracement. So just take the notes for the sell zones 3380 or the buy position 3365. Will it hit the 3340 today? No, today we're not going to touch that position, Mr. Cool Carney. Remember, if one more entries by Telegram or Discord, you can contact me by WhatsApp. There is a $74 1 year subscription, guys. So I'll be back in the next minutes. Well, in the next session, sorry. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for the happy birthdays. Gamble Mechanic, thanks for that, my friend. I really appreciate that. I'm going to enjoy my day with my family and I'll be back. Okay? So I'll be back in Tokyo, guys. Thanks for the support and thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for everything. Always is a pleasure. Always is a pleasure, guys. Thanks for everything. I'll be back in the next sessions. Thanks for everything. I'll be back, guys. Well, if you want to be part of the stream, just active the bell, the notifications, and you will receive the notifications when I'm going to be in again. So, well, guys, back in the next sessions. Thanks for the